everyone, so here is the rose gele that I will be showing you guys. This gele is so easy. It's so easy, and the funniest part is the asooke that I use is very small. The asooke that I use is very small. Just look at the asooke, guys. So you can see it's very small, and it's just like 2 lines of asooke. It's very small. So if you even have ankara of your remaining like a tie from your cloth, you can use it to tie this tie and it will come out very nice. You can tie it to church or to any event you want. Just want to show you guys a DIY simple style that you can easily tie. This style is so easy. So I'm bringing it from the back. Just look at the gele, small, so small. So just look at that. Just look at the way I'm bringing my hand like that. So I will just tie it. I only use only 2 office pin for this gele to see how it's very easy. It's so easy. So I'm tying it now. I'm tying it like that. If you want your hair to be covered, you can cover it, but since I pack my own, I just have to open it down like that. So the next thing now, I'll be start like styling it. That's what I'll be doing now. I only use 2 office pen for this gele. Only 2 office pen. So just look at the way I'm styling it like that. Just look at that. I'm picking office pen now. Use it to pin it. Use it to pin it there. So use the second pin now like that. So easy, guys. So easy. And that is it about the gele. That is it. So the next thing for me now to just adjust it to how I want it to be. Maybe I want it to be flat or to be in one side, or so now I'm just adjusting it. That's what I'm doing now. And that is it, guys. So you see the gele is so easy. I easily achieve it. So do let me know if you have any question. Do let me know. Do let me know if you have any question. So I'm just using this gele as a bonus, but I'll still like upload 2 more gele for you guys before the class end. I'll upload more 2 gele. So I'm just like using this one as a bonus so that you can easily tie it on your own, on yourself, if you want to go out. So that is it. That is the finished look of the gele. So do let me know what you think about this gele. Alright, guys, that is the finished look of the gele. So easy. Alright, bye.